Good morning, children. After Diwali, we have started our second term. In civics, we have already finished one chapter. Now, today we start next chapter 7, understanding marginalization. जो हम मार्जिन रखते हैं यहाँ, मार्जिन कहते हैं इसको, तो जो हाशिया होता है यहाँ, तो उनको समझना है मार्जिनलाइजेशन. This chapter we already started. In this unit 4, start our unit 4. Under the unit 4, we have this chapter. Chapter 7, understanding marginalization. What does it mean to be socially marginalized? First, we understand the meaning. Okay, how we say that this will socially marginalize. Who is socially marginalized? Marginalization. First, we will see the meaning of marginalization. Marginalization refers to a situation, एक situation है एक in which marginalization refers to a situation in which an individual or a group of individuals is deprived of certain privileges or treated as different from others. मतलब एक कोई इंडिविजुअल है पर्टिकुलर और कोई ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स है, पूरी एक कम्युनिटी है, ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स है, उनको सर्टेन प्रिविलेजेस, सर्टेन ऐसा उनके साथ ट्रीटमेंट हो रहा है जो दूसरे से डिफरेंट होता है. तो मार्जिनलाइजेशन का मतलब है एक गैप बोलते हैं हम कि उनको सारी प्रिविलेजेस ऐसे ट्रीटमेंट दी जाती है जो दूसरे से अलग होती है. तो marginalization refers to a situation in which an individual or a group of individuals is deprived of certain privileges or treated as different from others. To be marginalized is to be forced to occupy the sides or fringe and thus not to be at the center of things. This is something that the some of you have probably experienced in the classroom or playground. If you are not like most people in your class, that is, if your taste in music or films is different, if your assessed marks you out from others. मतलब कि आप क्लासरूम में भी आपने कभी ये ऐसा मार्किंग करे होगे कि आपको क्लास में ऐसा कोई है कि जो आपको अच्छे नहीं लगते, कोई म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्टेड है, कोई फिल्म में इंटरेस्टेड है, उनका टेस्ट अलग होता है, तो ऐसे you have marked कि this is different from you and others. If you are less chatty than others in your class, आप क्लासरूम में बहुत बातोड़ी नहीं हो और अदर्स से अलग हो. इफ यू डोंट प्ले द सेम स्पोर्ट दैट मैनी ऑफ योर क्लासमेट लाइक, आपके क्लासमेट को जो स्पोर्ट्स अच्छे लगते वो आपको अच्छे नहीं लगते. इफ यू ड्रेस डिफरेंटली, द एग्जाम्पल्स है डिफरेंट, the chances are that you will not be considered to be in by your peers. Peers means आपके classmate. So often you end up feeling that you are not with it, as if what you say, feel and think and how you act are not quite right or acceptable to others. As in the classroom, in the social environment too, groups of people or communities may have the experience of being excluded. Their marginalization can be because they speak a different language, follow different customs, or belong to a different religious group from the majority community. They may also feel marginalized because they are poor, considered to be of low social status, and viewed as being less human than the others. Sometimes marginalized groups are viewed with a hostility and fear. This sense of defense and exclusion leads to the communities not having access to resources and opportunities. And in their inability to assert their rights, they experience a sense of disadvantage and powerlessness. Vice, more powerful and dominant sections of the society who own land are wealthy, better educated, and politically powerful. Thus, marginalization is seldom experienced in one sphere. Economic, social, cultural, and political factors work together to make certain groups in society feel marginalized. Marginalization is, you can also write down these points in your notebook. Marginalization is experienced in every sphere of life: economic, social, cultural, and political factors work together to make certain groups in society feel marginalized. The marginalization एक्सपीरियंस इन एवरी स्फीयर ऑफ लाइफ. कोई भी लाइफ में एक पल पे, कोई भी ऐसे टाइम पे वो एक्सपीरियंस होता है. कैसे? तो कौन से स्फीयर, कौन से टाइम पे इकोनॉमिक, सोशल, कल्चरल, पॉलिटिकल फैक्टर्स वर्क टुगेदर टू मेक सर्टन ग्रुप्स इन सोसाइटी फील मार्जिनलाइज्ड. The major